Welcome to the lecture series in computer science. We are seeing a series of lectures in the subject Python programming. In today's session, we will be seeing a topic on regular expression module. It is part of the remaining modules. It is a continuation of our earlier session. As a regular expression module, the contents of this session we will be seeing the need for a regular expression module. We will be seeing how to group the regular expressions. We will be seeing how to substitute or how to use the substitute function for the regular expression, and how to replace, how to convert, those things we will be seeing as a content. And then we will be seeing the patterns that are used in the regular expressions, and we will be seeing certain examples related to the patterns and related to the regular expression. And finally, we will be seeing a turtle module which has been used as a gaming module for kids. People will be playing with certain turtle games. In your age old days, in the Nokia phone, when you could see, people would have played a game called a snake game. So this turtle game will be similar to the snake game, and if you could remember playing a snake game, so this turtle game will also be similar to it. So we will be seeing a simple small program of how to create a turtle game programming. Now, what is a regular expression module? What is the need for a regular expression module? How does it work? This regular expression module works with in short, it is called as the RE module. RE denotes regular expression. RE denotes regular expression. So here let us find out how to search a particular string in a sentence, a particular word in a sentence. How do I find out? How do I find out a particular word in a sentence? Yes, we will be using a function called as search function. The search function is used to identify or to find out a certain word from a sentence. Now, the search function is used to search the first occurrence of a pattern in the given string. My dear viewers, kindly make a note of it. It is used to search the first occurrence of a pattern in a given string. RE denotes regular expression. RE dot search pattern, string, and the flag option. It is the schema. The schema of regular expression for searching is given as RE dot search within braces the pattern that is to be searched, the string, and the flag option. We will see what a flag option is. We can use RE dot I may be a flag option. I denotes, if I am going to give like this, it will not consider the case sensitiveness. My dear viewers, you might be knowing Python is case sensitive. Even when you are going to search a string, when you are going to give an empty search, it will be searching based on case sensitiveness. Whereas, if I am going to declare it as RE dot I, it means that the regular expression, it should search the word or a string, and it should not be case sensitive. To make it as case insensitive, I am using it as RE dot I. So it is an optional thing. That is the reason I have given it as flag option 1. It is optional. Now let us see what this pattern denotes. Pattern, the regular expression pattern that is to be matched. Whatever is to be matched is called as a pattern. Now, what is a string? The string that is to be searched to match the pattern. What is to be matched? And string is what is to be searched. So, string that is to be searched to match the pattern is called the string. What is a flag? It is optional, as I have said. So, when I give optional, flags are optional, as I have given it over here. For example, I have stated over here Re dot I. Re dot I will make the case as insensitive. For example, if I am going to give Guru is a good boy, and if I am going to give the search as Re dot search, and if I am going to give it as Re dot I, and if I am going to state it as Guru as small g, it will be finding it out. But by default, if I am going to give only search without that Re dot I, this will not be found out. So, this Re dot I, it is case insensitive, and that is the reason it is optional. Now, let us see the next function called as group function. What is a group function? A group function of a match object, it can be used to fetch the matched expression. It is used to fetch the matched expression. Whatever is matching exactly, that will be fetched with the help of the group function. For example, import Re, my dear viewers, this I, it should be small I. Import Re. What is this Re? If you want to use this regular expression, I need to import Re. Re is a module, regular expression is a module. So, this Re denotes regular expression module. So, for which I am importing Re, import Re, where an I is small, matched is a variable, matched equal to Re dot search. Search is a function that is available inside this regular expression module. Search is a function that is available inside this regular expression module. So, Re dot search, open braces, within quotes, Ganesh. Ganesh likes coding. I am closing the quotes, comma, I am giving a flag, optional flag as Re dot I, and I am closing the braces. I am printing print matched dot group, because this is the group function which will fetch the matched expression, and this matched is the variable from where you get it, and print match dot group. So, in this example, Ganesh is a regular expression pattern that is being searched in the string Ganesh likes coding. But my dear viewers, what did you note in this code snippet? Haven't you noted that here in my within string quotes I have given Ganesh G as capital, but my search string here G is small, G is given in small, but will it be finding the Ganesh from this entire sentence, or will it not? It will find the word, the string Ganesh from this sentence. Why? How? Because I have given it as Re dot I. So, this Re dot I indicates case insensitive search. Hence, the matched group will return the string Ganesh. My dear viewers, supposing if I have not given this Re dot I, if I have not given, and if I am closing it with this, and if I am printing it, it will not give the value as Ganesh, because Python, because the string whatever you search, it is all case sensitive. So, this example is for a case insensitive example. Now, next is about the substitute function. What is a substitute function? How do I substitute? How do I replace things? For replacing, I go in for a substitute function. It substitutes all the occurrences of a pattern in the given string with the replace pattern. Now, let us see the syntax for the substitute function. Re denotes regular expression for which you are supposed to You cannot use it directly, you are supposed to import RE. Then RE dot sub is a function, sub denotes substitute function, RE dot sub open braces pattern comma the replacement string comma the original string, then how many times the string has to get replaced, that denotes the count dot optional, then flag whether you want to replace using in case insensitive or it should be case sensitive or how it is. So, that is the flag. So, this is the syntax for writing the substitute function. Now, let us see the parameters that are available in the syntax. You have the pattern. What is a pattern? The pattern is a regular expression pattern that is to be matched with the string. What is replacement? The pattern that will be replaced if the string is found. If the string is not found, it will not replace. What is a string? The given string, it will be searched to match the pattern. Then what is the count? It gives the number of occurrences of the pattern to be changed, to be modified, to be manipulated. All the occurrences. If you are not specifying the count, my dear viewers, kindly make a note of it. If you are not specifying this count, wherever you have the pattern, wherever there is a match, it will be replaced. And that is the reason by default all occurrences will be changed. Then what is a flag? It acts as an additional modifier. It acts as an add-on modifier to search. For example, as we have seen in the previous example, RE.I will give you a case insensitive search, and here my dear viewers, this I should be in capital, RE is in small. Let us see an example for a substitute function. What do I need to do if I am going to have a regular expression module? I need to import RE. Mod str is a variable wherein equal to RE dot sub denotes substitution function, within braces pattern is middle, string is high, sentences C is a middle level language. I am printing mod str. If I am going to print mod str, what will it print? What is the sentence I have given? I have given the sentence as C is a middle level language, but what has happened when I print? It has printed as C is a high level language. Where did the change come in? Wherever the term middle is available, string middle is available, it got changed to high. So, that is the reason you got the result as C is a high level language. So, as we could see in this example, middle is a regular expression pattern being searched in the string, C is a middle level language, and high is the, what type of string it is? High is the replacement string. As the pattern middle is found in the string, it will be replaced by the replacement string high, and thus we get the output as C is a high level language, and that is how the substitute function works. Now, let us see few patterns example. This pattern, you have an exponential mark wherein it matches the beginning of the string, and when it is going to match the beginning of the string, it will be saying the program matches program at the start of the given string. And supposing if I want to match MING programming, say for example my input is set to be programming, this is my input, programming is my input, PROGRAMMING is my input. Now I want to use certain manipulations with respect to this regular expression module. So, in that scenario, if I am going to give it as $, it matches the end of the string, which means if I am going to give it as MING dollar, it matches MING at the end of the given string. And if I am going to give it as dot, dot is a, it matches only single character, which means if I am going to give it as P dot of G, it matches exactly 2 characters between P and G, because dot dot, which means between the word, in between a single word P and G, for example Pong, P or PROG, prog, in that case it will be matching only R and O. Between P and G only 2 characters will get matched. That is the reason I have given stated double dot. Then slash D, it matches any one digit between 0 to 9, and if I am going to give it as P slash DR, it matches the occurrences of any one digit between P and R. Then if I am going to give RE of n, it matches for n number of occurrences of the preceding expression, of the previous expression, which means if I am going to give it as P slash D 3 of R, it matches exactly 3 digits between P and the remaining R. And if I am going to give it as RE star, it matches for 0 to n occurrences of the preceding function. Similarly, if I am going to give a question mark, it is going to match for either for 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding expression. If I am going to give it as m comma n, it will be matching between m and at the most n occurrences of the preceding expression. If I am going to give it as A or B, my dear viewers, I suppose you might be knowing in the mathematics subject you would have studied this symbol OR, or it is called as a logical OR, wherein it matches either A or B. As an example, if you could see, if you are going to have the non-space characters, so that will get matched, either this will be matched or pro or TRO, it matches either PRO or TRO will be matched. And similarly, you have slash S, slash capital S, slash capital D. Slash S denotes the white spaces, slash capital S denotes non white spaces, slash capital D denotes non digits. So, my dear viewers, in order to work with so many functions, what we need to do? You import RE, then give DIR, you print DIR within braces RE, so that you will be prompted with as many built-in functions that are available, as many patterns that are available, so you can use those patterns. Now, my dear viewers, let us see the next program, and it is you who have to predict the output. So, in my program, I import RE, regular expression, I give a variable called a sentence, sentence equal to, I stated as Hari and Guru are brothers. There are 2 kids, one guy name is Hari, the other guy name is Guru. Hari and Guru are brothers. Now, I am searching matched equal to re dot search R Guru comma sentence. I am printing match dot group. Now, in this case, the output will be Guru will be printed. Guru will be printed because I have Guru over here in the sentence. So, this RE dot search, it returns a match object if found, and it will not return anything, or it will say none if it is not found. And this matched group function, it returns a match if it finds a match, else it will throw an error as attribute error, none type. then none type object, it will not have the it will not have any attribute called group. So, how do I catch this? In my earlier sessions we have seen such an error can be caught using exceptions, using exception handlers. We have seen this in detail in our earlier sessions. So, kindly when you go through this earlier session, you can find out what is an attribute error and how to catch hold of such an exception if the string is not been found. Now, let us see the next program snippet, code snippet, and identify the output. Import RE, sentence equal to cats and dogs are pets, dog is good. Cats and dogs are pets, dog is a good pet, or I have given it as dog is good. Now, matched equal to RE dot search dog comma sentence. Print, this print is small p. Print match dot group. The search pattern is, what is the search pattern? The search pattern is dog. Where is dog in this sentence? In this sentence you have the dog over here. So, this search, it restricts its check to first occurrence of the pattern to be matched. Hence, where do I get the first occurrence? This is dogs, this is only dog. So, I get the first occurrence over here. So, dog is good. So, this is how the matched group works. Now, let us see this example here. Import RE, sentence equal to Hari and Guru are brothers again, matched equal to RE dot search Hari comma sentence, print, print here p is small p, print match dot group. What is the output that I will get? In my earlier case, in the earlier example, I got the output as Guru, because it was G was in capital, whereas over here in this example it is also similar to the previous example, but the changes here I have given h as small h and here the h is capital. By default, the search, when it is to be searched, it will be, it is case sensitive. So, there is, it is not having any matched group, and that is the reason I will get the output as error, stating that there is no word or there is no string available within that sentence. So, the search function, that is the reason we say the search function performs a case sensitive search. Now, let us see this code and you predict the output. Import RE. The reason why I give so many examples is that as you have so many modifications can be made with respect to this regular expression. So many changes, so many ways you can make the coding. So, in order to become an efficient programmer, we require so many examples. So, here import RE, sentence equal to cats and dogs are pets, dog is good. The replace sentence, I am replacing it. So, if I am going to replace it, what is the function that I need to use in RE? These are the concepts that we saw when we started this session. The built-in function that is to be used is the substitution function. So, how do we use the substitution function? It is like this, replace sentence equal to RE dot sub, sub denotes substitution. So, in the substitution function, RE dot sub dog cat sentence. So, what will happen when I print the replace sentence? What is my sentence first of all? My sentence is cats and dogs are pets, dog is good. Now, I am going to replace, wherever you have this dog, I am going to replace it with cat. So, what is the output that I will get? Cats and dogs are pet, cat is good. The sentence was dog is good, but after printing I get the result as cat is good. Now, let us see the next module. So, with that the regular expression module completes. Next is the turtle module. This turtle module is used for playing turtle games, used for kids for game programming. Now, hope you would have seen a turtle. This turtle game many people would have seen, it will be like this, a triangle. This triangle, in the recent days the turtle comes with dot and it is of something of this figure, but the age old turtle it will be of a triangle. So, now when you are going to forward this triangle or when you are going to reverse this triangle, come reverse it, so it comes backward. When you want to move it to the right, you have a function called as right. When you want to move it to the left, you have a function called as left. When you want to place it at the center, you have a function called as home. So, my dear viewers, how does it work? It works like this. The coordinates x and y axis. So, the turtle will be placed over here and it will be at the center. When I am going to give forward, something like forward of 100, it moves 100 steps. When I am going to give right of 120, it moves right side to 120 and the turtle will be like this. If I am going to give forward of 100, the turtle will be like this, and if I am going to give right of like this, the turtle will be like this. If I am going to again give backward of or forward of 100 again, then the turtle will be like this. If I am going to give left of 120, then the turtle will be like this. Now, what is the diagram that you have got? You have got the diagram of a rectangle. So, this is how you play. If you want to have forward of 100, right of 100, right of 100 again, left of 100, then you get a square turtle. So, these are certain turtle module motions. One is forward. In short, it can be written as either as forward or you can write it as FD of open braces, close braces. Similarly, backward, I can write it as BK, I can even write as back. Right is I can write as RAGHT or else I can write as RT. Left is I can write as LEFT or in short I can write as LT. Home, then undo. If I want to undo, if I do not want to go forward, if I want to come back, undo. I can set the speed. In what speed the turtle should move in a upward direction. I can set the speed as either as speed as 3 or 4 or 5 or 2 or whatever number, so that we can see the movement of the turtle which moves from one particular location to this particular location, at what speed the turtle has to be moved. Then reset, it comes to the original position, then clear, then show turtle will show the turtle, hide turtle will hide the turtle, and then we can as well have whether to have a turtle as visible or invisible. This is a small turtle module wherein you are supposed to import the turtle, define, draw shape. I am giving a name as GAN equal to turtle. Here my dear viewers, this turtle is in small, this turtle is a function turtle. GAN shape, I am giving the string as turtle. The speed I am declaring it as 5. For I in range 0 to 5, I am moving it forward for 100 steps. Initially turtle will be like this. So, it will be for 100 steps, then I am moving it right for 150 steps. So, the turtle has gone over here. Now, when I move it right for 150 steps, the turtle has gone over here. So, I am drawing the shape with draw shape. This is how the turtle module works out. So, now let us summarize this session. We saw about what a regular expression module is, what is the need for having a regular expression module, and then we saw about the group function, we saw about the substitute function, we saw about the patterns that are used in the regular expression. We as well saw many different examples with respect to the group function and with respect to the substitute function. We concluded the session by seeing turtle module. Thank you.